Hello everyone, welcome back to yunolearning. In our series on how to build upon your lexical resource in a much more effective and productive manner, we bring to you yet another video on the theme festival. Now let's go ahead and deconstruct the term festival itself. The part of speech it hails from is noun, meaning a day or period, usually in memory of religious events, for celebration with particular social activities and traditions. Sentence: the festival was held every year to celebrate the harvest by having a social family gathering and preparing traditional delicacies. Some key terms derived from festival are: number one, fest, noun, meaning a festival or gathering. Festive, adjective, that means pertaining to festival. Festivity, noun, a festive celebration or occasion. Festoon, noun, flower garlands hung as a decoration. Next up, we have the word tradition. The part of speech it hails from is noun, meaning a belief or behavior that has been passed down within a community with a symbolic meaning. Sentence: it has become a family tradition to have dinner on every anniversary at their favorite family restaurant. Some key terms derived from tradition are: traditional, noun, relating to or derived from tradition. Traditionally, adverb, as a part of long standing tradition. Traditionalism, noun, adherence to tradition. Traditionary, noun, one who places emphasis on traditions. Some other words are: number one, boisterous, noun, that means loud and lively. Sentence: the annual festival was celebrated by the crowd with vigorous and boisterous street dancing, parades, and concert. Delicacies, noun, special or unique food cooked especially on an occasion. They planned a feast and prepared all the special festival delicacies as a part of their enriching and lavish culture. Carnival, noun, a mobile event featuring amusement park rides, games, intense partying, and dancing. The crowd relishes in the festivity of the carnival while dressing up in costumes and participating in dance and other activities. Deity, noun, god or goddess, worshipped by people. In many ancient regional festivals, the celebration is embarked upon by worshipping the deity and performing the rituals. Parade, noun, an event in which people, usually in a costume, ride or walk down a street in front of masses. The parade marked a recognition of struggles and celebration of identities. Chant, noun, a song with little or no music with short phrases people repeat together. Celebration of many Indian festivals include performing many religious traditions and singing various devotional chants. Next up, we have some items that we use during festivals, which are: number one, an earthen lamp, that is a lamp made of baked clay. Then we have incense sticks, a stick that burns slowly to release fragrant odor. Lantern, light inside a translucent protective cover. Firecrackers, firework that makes a loud noise when it explodes. Wreath, decorative ring made of leaves and flowers. Garlands, festoon of flowers. Next up, we have some questions asked in the IELTS speaking exam on the theme festival. So we have: what is the most important festival in your country? How do people celebrate festivals in your country? What special foods are associated with festivals in your country? Do you think festivals are important for the society? Cue card. Describe a festival in your country. You should say when it occurs, what you did during it, what you like or dislike about it, why this festival is important. Now let's try answering some of the questions with the words we just learned. What is the most important festival in your country? One of the most profoundly and lively celebrated festivals in my country is Diwali. It's symbolic for many people as the festival that traditionally celebrates the victory of light over darkness and is celebrated by lighting earthen lamps, festive lights, lanterns, and setting of fireworks and crackers. People worship their deities and perform the rituals. Many mouth-watering delicacies, such as sweets and lavishing meals, are also prepared. How do people celebrate festivals in your country? People in my country celebrate festivals with vigorous and boisterous preparations. From preparing the traditional delicacies to upkeeping the festive mood with items such as garlands, earthen lamps, lanterns, etc., every person in the family actively helps out in the festivities. Every festival starts with people worshipping their deities and taking their blessings. Next up, we have a writing task asked in the IELTS exam. Most people have forgotten the meaning behind traditional and religious festivals. During festival periods, people nowadays only want to enjoy themselves. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Now try answering this question with the words and terminology we just learned. That's all for today. For more personalized live IELTS and spoken English classes at affordable prices, enroll today and don't forget to subscribe for more such content.